at those fireworks! Oh yeah, I love it! Lachlan is on it. Lachlan is it. He's the man, he's the legend. Yeah! How you doing, guys? Welcome to the episode of Watch and Friends. Who's ready for some game development? Why is my thing all messed up like this? Why is everything messed up? I don't change anything and then things are messed up. I don't know why. Nah, I don't care so much. Alright, guys, how you doing on this beautiful Wednesday? Today we're gonna work a little bit more on LachhhTools and a little bit of Just Ships and Beats if we have time as well. Well, actually, Just Ships and Beats will be before LachhhTools, but I'm almost done with the LachhhTools thingy. So, yeah, we're gonna do that. I have some new updates on that thing. What was the soundtrack on the waiting screen? Probably Club Master Duel Pokemon. Oh, guys, by the way, Corridors of Time. That very song. I am starting to learn that on the piano, and it's freaking cool and very hard as well. Is that like you need 3 freaking hands? And for real, there's like 3 different melodies that you have to combine together with only 2 hands, and it's freaking insane. It's very cool though. Let me show you the result. I've seen 2 things. Corridors of Time piano. Not this one, not this one. Well, it's actually this one, I think. Is it? Yeah. This is very good. That I can play. This part there, I can play it. I'm there. Look at the left hand. Freaking love that song. So I'm working on this one these days. It's very soothing though. Like before I go to sleep, for example, before going to sleep, like a half an hour before going to sleep, I just start to play that song on the piano. It really suits me out, right? Like, no more screens, just my piano and I, and I'm like, it's very soothing. Wow, Lash, how about you write a poem as well? Okay, let's do a presentation on that song. Because, you know, today we'll be chilling. Let's chill in Corridors of Time, because it's a freaking good song. And I love it, with all my mouth. Okay, now that Dash and Friends is speaking, that echo is horrible. Time to close Kojak feed. Yep, I believe so. Alright, guys, there we go. Alpine Imp, Bandit Synthesizing, but Bandit Alara, Brian Luck, DeVito, The Rumply is saying hype, Copper Cooper, Celtic Wolf, The Lost Dims is saying let the mud. Alright, let the mud chess RPG go. Monkey Man, this is fun. Lachhhlan is saying it's hump day. Are you ready? Kojak, the fire won't appear. Emily, more cats. VPR, aw, look at you, man. Viral exploit. Velashko, V-Girl, Valmore, Villanex is saying it's time for Lacha. Whoopsie, Lacha broke it, yeah. Is it time for chess yet? Not yet. The pad user is Stimpy. Look at you, man. Rodolfo, Scott Florence, Seabot, Skip to Play, Sprambot, Mr. Rex is saying to battle, Model, Nevisions 92, Matt, Loden Dogar, Jughead, Gallagher, Gears, Epic Sex Guys Dance, Games, Fire Shard, look at you, man, Third Door, the Burninator, and Domino Lily, Scrappy. Welcome aboard, guys, on this beautiful Wednesday. Today I don't have any guests to interview today, unfortunately, because I'm kind of what? Oh yeah, I had that OBS. Whoa! Okay, I will have to pronounce that very soon. It will appear on the screen, and I will try to do it. Okay, I'm switching the scene right now. Explain it, please. Maybe I should switch to OBS. It is insanely... There we go. Poem squirrels. Roses are red. Penis is blue. Penis, penis, penis. So much to do. Nice. Ah! Larkland! Our baby can drink in the States. You are right. You are right, Larkland. Thank you so much. Look at the creepy face. Oh my god. Thank you so much, Larkland, man. Thank you very much for the sub for the night. 21 months in a row. Dude. Doodly 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 dude. That's a lot of month. That is a lot of month. Okay, so I'm gonna take view menu. View menu, no. View menu. Menu! This one. Yep. Okay, so I got all of those on giveaway on. Last one I want is on tutorial. And I will need something new for that. And I will need to put public as well. But select a boolean, all that will work. Share. Okay, so one thing. I want to show you what I did. What I'm working on. So before we had that little thing over there. So that was the screen before. Alright? But the thing that I didn't like with this one is that everything was crammed together. It was hard to read this part, and also there's two different things in that single interface. There's the how to unlock, and also do you need art, do you need love, do you need whatever, you know? So I didn't like that. So I actually changed it and asked Emily to make it beautiful, but make it two different ways. So this is unlock page. So the only information here is about unlocking the LachhhTools. So you can do it with GameWisp, or you can do it like here, unlock it for free. And I also made the Hall of Fame over there. Why? Because I have lowered the price a lot this morning. Have a few conversations with other people, and I was like, yeah, fuck it, let's put the price very low, because the last thing I want is people to say like, oh, that's just greedy, blah, 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 you know. But in the same time, I wanted to you know, try to refund myself, or try to be able to support the project, you know. If I get money out of this, I'll be able to add more feature into the LachhhTools, or hire another coder to do it, you know. So there's a fine balance between just giving it for free or asking millions of dollars for it, right? So this morning I just put it at $5. It was 25 yesterday, and today I just spoke with Emily actually, and she brought a good point. She was like, yeah, 25 is a bit steep. So I said like, okay, you know what? Fuck it, $5. If you want the donation in bits, it's $10 per month, and if you want, you know, just this one is just a tip. It's just something that if you want to pay more, you have more access in the Hall of Fame over there. So you'll be on top, and you'll say to everybody like, hey, I'm an official supporter. But it actually gives you nothing else, you know? Just a way for people, if they want to contribute more and support more, well, there's a way right there, you know? But it doesn't break out the other one. The actual feature is the cheapest of them all. So by doing that, then I can, you know, make them like this, and your channel will appear here. So basically, if I click on this, I can go to your channel from there. So anybody who used the LachhhTools can see who's the biggest contribution, and you'll have a little, you know, a little exposure over here saying like, hey, who did that? So you can discover other people who use the LachhhTools as well, you know, and make friends. That makes you something in common. So that, and I'm gonna be talking about the unlock for free here a little bit later. I found this morning, I found a way to how to do that. Yeah, I'll come back on this later though. I'll come back on this later. So, and now, so this is the page where there's the unlocking, you know, how to unlock the things. And we did that as well. So this is more the tutorial place, you know. So the little question mark over here, when you click on it, it will bring you here. So here you can see like, do you need help? Do you need tutorial? Do you need visuals? And I just made a little joke here. Do you need love? Contact me, don't tell my wife. Because, you know, a little joke. It's always funny. I'm funny. So yeah, it makes, the point is it makes everything, everything more clear. Or clearer. It makes everything clearer. I don't know. Should I say clearer or more clear? I don't know. My language, my English skills is lacking. Oh my god. Okay, so here I'm gonna say help. UI help. What? Where's help? I need help. What? What do you think of the new price, guys, by the way? What do you think of the prices? So here will be, it's not VIP, I think it's credit. I don't like credit, but it will be it. So like this, and finally, if I go to, no, this, not this one. Credits promo, I already have something for that? Okay. Okay, I guess. So I already have something for that. Alright. So I'm gonna remove this one. And view menu select. Okay, so I'm on the right place. I'm gonna close Latch and Friends RPG now because I am scared to breaking other stuff. Okay, so this, and here will be help, and this will be like this, and this will be like help, like that. Close current, on tutorial. Now let's go back to view menu. Hang on, UI menu, I guess. Yeah, UI menu. If I go there, and is it the old menu? Is it there? Yeah, on tutorial here. That's stupid. Let's remove that, and I will go and say UI menu dot instance dot view menu select on tutorial. And this thing here will be needed into the UI help. And I will need to change the name of those things as well. But doing... So I'll go like this, because I like help. Firefox can fuck off. I can't watch ads for bits in Firefox. Sorry, man. I'm sorry, man. It's not my fault. Okay, so it does work. So if I go like this, boom, boom, boom. If I click here, it goes like this automatically. Why don't I have my little effect? Isn't that there? No. UI menu. Anim UI open. No. Okay. Oh, okay. Because there's a bunch of it. Okay. Oh. I don't like it, but you know what? I don't care. So, button select, damn it! Alright, there we go. On tutorial, here on tutorial, I will put the damn button. Sorry. Button select, put like this, put like this, boop. So I asked you a question I didn't even check out. I haven't even checked out. Well. Yo, time for new chest. You're right. Somebody gave it though. Yay! Both clearer and more clear is correct. Yeah. Alright, good. Yay! It works! So I could maybe put that as a What? Ah, okay. It's not selected? Ah. Okay, you know what? I want to remove this from there. And I'll put it here. It is ugly as hell, but it'll be easier. Zadagazababwe. Dadabadu do do w. Dabadabo bow bow badabadabo. Badabado do do badabadabu do. Badadadi da da do. Dabadi badabadabadabadabadabadabadi be down down badali do bow. Down down badali down 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 badali down down badali down down down. Yay! Wasn't it actually over 30? Yep, I am a little over 30. I like your guesses though. How old is Lash? 99? 50? 24? 30? Look, this looks like a game of, look at that. Yay. It looked like a game of, can I put the thing here? Well, no, fuck it. I don't care. Okay, so, yay, Discord channel, YouTube. I could remove the YouTube one. Okay, so that's working. Yep. Get out. That's working. Yep. That's working. Wait. That's working. Okay. That. No. Okay. I got Discord button here. And I'm very lazy, so I'll go like very fast. Whoa! Matches follow the channel. Welcome aboard, my friend. Thank you very much for following. You, sir, are awesome. Ah, yeah. Without tween, it's a bit bad. Get movie clip like this, and what the other one is. This one is get movie clip again. And I believe that if I go with something stupid like this, if on tuto alerts. Oh, Dragonite Wolf is following the channel. Welcome aboard, man. Dragonite Wolf. Welcome aboard. Thanks for following. Okay, so the widget alert here, I believe, is the same, right? Yeah, it is the same. So I'm gonna put my other one, you porn, like this. And where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Ah, log out. Why is internet so low? It was so slow. Sign in, please. No, not this one. Back. This one. Ah! Alpha 17X, man. Thank you very much for subscribing. 5 months in a row, man. Thank you so much. Fireworks. Fuck is that? My channel. Video manager. La 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 la. So that will be this. Boom. Alright. We got it. Okay, so here. Alright, so we got all that, and yeah, we'll always, yeah, my computer's very slow. Shut up. Okay. Well, it's not a computer, it's internet actually. Discord. I also have Discord and the other Discord, so both of those Discord will be Discord button. Come on. And I'm gonna say on Discord. And same thing here. Say MC. Voila. No. Util this navigate to URL version info URL Discord. Yay! So that should be it. Yay! Yeah, I made this morning. I have registered LachhhTools.com and also LachhhTools.com/Discord will put you into a new Discord channel, a brand new Discord channel. Okay, so here that's the proper text. Yes, it is. So you here. Come on, you. All right. Set the name of dynamic button. You will be how to give away. How to give away how to alerts. I'll say giveaway tutorial. Alerts tutorial. As firewall comes with a LachhhTool, not yet actually. It is kind of part of it. Well, it is inside the LachhhTools. It's just that it's inside something right here. You know, it doesn't have. Okay, first Twitter. I also have Twitter alerts. It goes like whoop and appear on the bottom. Okay, so I have that already, but it's only baked with my own channel, so it's only gonna respond to Lach and that's it. So for it to be general and having your own custom, you respond to your own tweet or whatever. I will have to make some interface and more blah blah blah, more customization, etc. So I didn't do that yet, and same thing for the fireworks. This looks quite like it is okay, but I need to make like it is baked into my really weird interface. This is like the developer stuff, including game wisp and blah blah blah. So extracting the fireworks won't be super hard to do, but it's just that I'm already spending way too many time on this, so I'm focusing on what needs to be done first, and then, you know, giveaway tutorial, alerts tutorial. If I click on this, giveaway tool tutorial, okay, and alerts tutorial, that's the new one. Look at that, that's not the perfect one. Look at that, it's a perfect thumbnail. It looks like I'm chugging a beer in the start.
We'll retry it once again.
I like it. It looks like I'm chugging a beer at the beginning of the tutorial. It's like, bruh. Alright, sorry about tools and shit. I should have like have the voice of Rick. Okay. Need tutorial. Pick it up. Ah, there you go. Okay, so there you go, the Discord channel, is that working? Yep, that works as well. So the tutorial works, need love, don't tell my wife, all that screen works. This works as well. I made some dummy just to see. I need to be able to click on them too. Let me see. Yeah, so I'm gonna go like view Hall of Fame. And here, I will go P screen, well actually screen registered click with me, my visuals, on click, simple as that. And on destroy, I'll go screen dot remove click from visual, and I'll go visual like this. That has to be like before everything though. I don't know, do I lose the reference of the screen there? No, I don't. Beautiful. So I'm gonna do this instead. Beautiful. Alright, so here I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do something very simple. UI pop up, create yes no, and I'm gonna say visit. Okay, visit meta meta game wisp. Come on, it's right over there. Get URL or get Twitch URL, and like this. And I'll just go like return twitch.tv/name. Very, very stupid. Okay, so like this. New call on visit. Let's say on yes. On yes. No param, please, and this will be no. On yes, create a function that will be doing util, navigate and record, version, no, metagame wisp get Twitch URL. Like this. And if this equal null, I said null, just do nothing. Oh, bow. Oh wow, okay, I need to do the HTML something. HTTP, that thing. Oh, Salvador! Follow the channel, welcome aboard, friend, thank you much for following. Go to... and then I'll go like... would that be working? I don't know. See ya then, drummer man. See ya around. Visit go-to? No, not visit go-to. That's kind of a little bit redundant. Visit go-to. Except the fact that this is the guy. Sub is following the channel. Welcome aboard, my friend. Thank you very much for following. And I just need to put... where is it? Here. What? No. Actually, you know what? Visit. Yeah, that'll be better. Visit names channel. And I need a space there. Space. Space. Belly lamb, do. Visit this channel? Yes, why not? Yay! I'm on this channel now. So we'll give a little bit more of exposure. You know, if I go to a Game Wisp page, you have 3 options now. Again, I'd like to hear your thoughts on this, guys. I don't know, for the streamers out there the price. I have lowered the price. I think I cannot lower the price even more. Oh, the Dindogard. There we go. We got a first subscriber. Oh, thanks, my friend. By the way, thanks. I'm very excited, but I'm excited for one thing. I'm excited for the because I can now test my Hall of Fame because I just filled it with Mr. Dummy, but I wanted to test out if everything is working. Thanks, man. We'll be able to check it out right now after on the same bat channel. Hang on. Meta Game Wisp sub. Cam10 is on the channel. Welcome aboard, my friend. Thank you very much for following Meta Game Wisp. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. I can't wait to test it out. Debug filled with dummy. Where do I put that? Yeah, get the fuck out, please. Thank you. So like this, and now I believe. Okay, it doesn't load. Do I load it here? Okay, so I do this. I do this. I do this, and then I go there, and I probably go there as well. So how about that? Go. You're doing nothing. Is it because I'm on debug? Lach. Okay, debug init. No. Debug LachhhTools init. Screw that. Alright, I'm gonna go get ready for work. Have a good stream. Thank you very much, Mr. Gears, man. Have a good day, sir. Have a good day at work. Why the hell is it taking that long? Okay, so good. Load my sub. You have it. And then fetch on server. That's it. That is not true. I said the fetch on server, so that's this. And then I go there. And I go there. Didn't go there. I hate when it does that. Hey, good. Okay, yeah. Set sub. Okay. Call with param, please. Yes. Oh, that's load my sub. Okay, good. The error. What's the error? The terminal does not have an index. Okay, I forgot to put the index. Aww. Okay, I will have to do some stuff outside of the stream. Like this. Whoa, 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 whoa. Wrong one. And, you know, it's been a while we haven't done that, so I'm gonna do it. Even though some of you don't like it, I like it. The top secret cats are coming. Top secret cats, guys. I'm sorry. I just have to fix my stuff here on the servers, and I don't want you little dirty eyes to be on the server, to be looking at my beautiful server. La 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 la. La 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 la. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Woo! Ba da ba da ba ba da. Ba ba ba. Fucking cat, kill them all! Ben Bryan! I never saw such cutie cats bring so much hate from the chat. Ah, I love it. Kill the cat with fireworks! Ah, that's beautiful. Yay, okay, so now it works. It works-ish though. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. La 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 la. Okay, gotcha. Ah, voilà. So now it should be working. Da, 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 da. Mitchini, 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 Mitchini. Yay! Okay, so the cat is done, but also that thing here, I can see loading the guard right here with a silver medal. It has worked perfectly. I didn't do anything. And then now I can also probably visit this channel. Yay! It does work. Hey, loading the guard. Thank you very much, man. Thank you very much. Oh, you know what? Why is that? Is that him? Why is it because loading the guard? Oh, hosting. Oh, he's hosting somebody else. Aww. It's okay. I have respect. Friends of my friends are my friends. Friends of my friends are my friends. So yeah, you're good as well, Royal Funk. You are good. Ah! No, you should not see that. Nah! Again, damn it. Okay, good. So loading the guard. Thank you very much. Now, thanks to you, you are right over there, and you actually can see your pretty face over there. So that'll be like a little something else as well. A little bit, a little feature, you know. So if you do support on GameWisp, your face will appear over here. So it will give you a little bit of more exposure amongst other users of LachhhTools. So yep. I don't know if I can make. Can you on GameWisp say, for example, okay, I want this tier. Crocodile is following the channel. Welcome aboard. Thank you very much for following. I was thinking that if I can do like this, but also add more. So like the top donator will be on top, you know? La 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 la. How to unlock for free. Okay, that's the last thing I need to do. That works. That works. Loading the guard. Look at you. Look at you. Nice. Okay, was there anything else? Except all this. Da 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 da. The cats are gone. Unsub. Latch and friends, the software will auto-update. Yep, this is one of the nice perks that Hair has. Not Hair, but Air has. It's very easy to detect if there's a new update. So actually, everybody who have the current giveaway tool, when they will say like, when they will open the tool, it will say like, hey, a new version of the tool is now up. And it will actually install this one, you know. And then if I add up more stuff or, you know, fix a bunch of, add more feature, fix bugs, whatever, I can still just push another build. And whenever you start the LachhhTools, this is happening. Looking for update, you're up to date. And then it continue. Simple as that. Simple as that. I'm very happy that that thing over here, like this is a perfect example that it worked. This is like not the proof of concept, but the test is working. Everything is doing, like, all the checks and everything is being done properly. So I'm freaking happy about that. You have nothing to do. Everything is freaking automatic. Nice. Okay. Nice, I never developed something in air. That's actually like, those one are actually my first tools in air. It's just that air is very, very close to Flash, you know. It's like a desktop way to make Flash content. But I freaking love it how to develop in air. It goes very fast. You're just like, okay, I don't like this. I want that to be like this, and this to go like that, and that whoa like this, and this goes over there. Compile. It compiles. Put. So you compile the visual, and then you go back here. Compile. It's freaking instant. There we go. Kalok is now following the channel. Welcome aboard. Thank you very much for following. So if I go to where? Here? Look at that! Everything is perfect. Mwah, mwah, you know? But the point is everything is so freaking fast. So it's a nice... Flash is a very great tool to animate and also to create UI. That's... Mwah, it's great, you know? I can also draw. I can also draw a little nose, for example. I can draw a nose like this. A beautiful nose, like this, and just like compile, and that will work. So in short, I love air. Zombile is going very well with air and starting and everything. So it compiles like air now is way better than before. Before when you try to make a mobile game with air in 2010, oh boy, that was very, very hard to do. There was no GPU and whatever, you know. But now it's starting. If you do your shit right, it is quite very cool. Perfect nose. Why do I keep saying noise? Lash, did you lower the chance to get a scroll on server sheet? Nope, because since last Monday my scroll rate is at 2.127. I did not. The pad user, have you paid for something? Are you in the Hall of Fame of the Stream RPG? Or is it because I didn't change the thing on the server? And Jesus is for the channel. Welcome aboard. My server is connected, so all good. If I go here in the perks, are you there? The pad user. I believe the pad user was there, right? Nope, apparently not. Nope. Yeah, Family Jewel's right over there. Oh wow. Nope, I don't see you. But yeah, I didn't change anything. I swear, I haven't changed anything. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. I haven't had the scroll drop in 10 days. How many scrolls do you have? If you have 3 scrolls, that's the maximum you can have. I want you to spend those scrolls. So you cannot have more scrolls than item left in the boxes. So if you have collected all the... Third time is following the channel. Welcome aboard. Thank you very much for following them. If the cap, the maximum amount of scrolls is equal to the number of feature item that you don't possess. That's quite complicated, but if there's 3 items that you don't own, 2 was my max, okay. Here, I have 3 items and there's only 2 that I don't own, so it's impossible for me to get new scrolls. Because the maximum for me is 2, that's it. So will be for later. If you have them all, you can get more scrolls. Because I want you to spend them. It's not a rolling luck system. Each chest is just 5%. RNG just being RNG. There you go. Is there a small animation when you hover over a name in the Hall of Fame? Yes and no. There's not really an animation. You do alright though. It could be a little bit more present. A little bit less subtle. Your mouse transforms, so that's that. But I do agree that it's not really visible. Oh yeah, oh, I didn't know that. Ah, fuck. Flash to unit decompile. Whoopsie! Damn it, that's not what I want. I messed up. Texture, no, please don't put the texture in there. Okay, that should be good. Zero scrolls and all item to buy. Since Monday last week, I got 1 scroll and collected 48 scrolls. I haven't changed anything, my friend. If you do get a scroll one day, please let me know. But for real, I haven't changed anything. And I saw that the server is all up and everything, and I think that other people are getting scrolls. So unless I woke up, oh, there we go. That's better. Unless I woke up one day during the night and codes added like if the pad user give no scrolls, because you know that happens. That happens all the time. Unless that, I have no idea. Alright guys, it's time to talk about this one. How to unlock for free. I have said in the last tutorial, in the tutorial, that if you promote my game, I want to unlock you. I want to unlock access. Let me start that from the beginning. I've said okay, so I've said that in the tutorial that there's a way to unlock it for free if you do promote my game, because that actually helped me out way more than having money. So, the only problem was like how to do it concisely, concretely, like what kind of action can you do, you know, instead of just like promote my game, which is quite vague, right? So I thought about something. Just have you make a highlight on Twitch of you talking about the game. Either talking, I want it to be, okay, I want you to be honest, alright? I don't want you to be forced to say, oh, somebody else is good because I want to use that tool, you know? No. I want you to be honest. If you like it, say it. If you don't like it, say it. I want your feedback, you know? If you don't like idle game at all, I want to know it, you know? Because I heard that a bunch of times. Like, idle games are the worst. There's no fun in idle games. It's no point, blah, blah, blah. You know? I even heard something like, it is the scourge of the game industry. Like, whoa, okay. But whatever opinion you have, as long as you're honest, I want to hear it. So if you do a highlight of talking about either Zombile or just Chips and Beats, and then send that, just send a tweet about it, like hashtag LachhhTools. Just send a tweet with your highlight, so I'll be able to see it on my side. And I will unlock you, I will give you a free month of sub. Just for free, you know? And otherwise, you still have the Game List page. I have lowered the price way more than what I said in the tutorial. In the tutorial, it was 25 and 35. Now it's back at 5 and 10. So it's very, like, 5 and 10 is a couple of sub, and that's it, you know? So, and there's also a way to tip me more. If you do that, you will see your face into the Hall of Fame like this, and then I can click on this and visit your channel. So it's gonna give you a little bit of exposure if you do pay more, you know. So that's a little way for you to support me, and also a little bit for me to give you more exposure. Win-win. But back to the unlock thing here. Again, make a highlight of you talking about either game or just mentioning the game in general. I don't want you to say stuff that you don't want to say, alright? I want that to be very clear. Just say whatever, just talk about it. It can be a review, it can just be like, hey, go check out that game, I played it was nice. Or I don't like it, Lach is a greedy developer, like whatever. Just mention it, send me your highlight with the hashtag LachhhTools, and I will unlock a free month for you. Alright? Anime fan, he used Unity for just Chips and Beats. Yep. Will we get ads for making a video for you? No. Somebody else is fucking awesome. Woo! Yeah, Crocodile. Thank you, man. Thank you, my friend. I do love Zombile as well, myself. Like, Okay, I work on just ships and beats during the day, but during the night, when I'm like, instead of gaming on the night, I actually add more feature in Zombiel, because I'm playing Zombiel every day, and I'm like, I'd like to have that. You know what? Fuck it, I'm gonna do it. So yeah. Can you show how to install the Nintendo 3DS plugin? What? I don't know such thing. What's your favorite game that you've played? Games you worked on don't count. Yeah. Favorite game doesn't count any game that I worked on. Because, you know, after a while you're sick of seeing your own stuff. And you're like, this is boring. I hate it. Favorite game that you've played? That's a huge one. I have like multiple answers on this. One that I say a lot of time is Super Metroid on SNES, just because it still have an impact on me as a game dev nowadays. The final boss, the way that it teach the mechanics without using any words, freaking love that. It's a very piece of gem. So as a game dev, I really appreciate Super Metroid on SNES. For the controls, Mega Man, the controls are super freaking tight. Very, very like, it's great. But nowadays, there was a game. Well, Undertale was there. Undertale was the one that really pushed me, not confuse me, but make me like, holy shit, that's a huge game. So yeah, that had a very big impact on me as a game dev, Undertale. Otherwise, man, I'm missing one. I know I'm missing one. Right now, my time sink are StarCraft 2 and Gears of War 4. And I'm also playing Child of Light with my little kid, actually. Me and my daughter. It's so cute, guys. It's such a weird feeling to be playing my first RPG, which is my favorite genre. My first RPG with my girl, my little daughter. 8 years old, and she's like, oh yeah, look at that, I'm gonna defense because he's about to block, and then I'll use my magic because he's a physical attack and everything. And I'm like, yes, you're right, darling. Oh my god, this is like, I don't know, this is like the equivalent of a sport lover dad playing his first game of hockey with his kid, you know? That would be the equivalent. Now, I don't care about sport at all, but playing my first RPG with my daughter, and I was like, oh my god, she's growing so fast. She knows how to use magic. Have you ever tried Fuse development tool? I don't know that one. I was asking if we could be rewarded with ads if we make a video. I was asking if we could be rewarded with ads. If that was a joke, well, haha. I don't get it, sorry. Bruce Lee. See, Commodore 64, man. Bruce Lee. You just dropped that bomb right there. Right there! You just say Bruce Lee and expect me to... Oh, freaking love that game. Yeah, okay, talking about that game. You're exactly like my brother. Nice. I'll take that as a compliment. Sweet. Ups, can you show how to install for Unity the Nintendo 3DS plugin? Again, I don't know. With the plugin, can we programming export a game for the 3DS? Again, I don't know. I never did that. So, your favorite friend is Google. Because I don't know how to do it. More ads! Let's put more ads everywhere. How much time we need to wait to play on new update? Very soon, my friend. Very soon. We will probably launch it this Friday. This Friday we will have the podcast. Crocodile, I assume that you're new to the channel, so every update for Zombiel, we make a podcast, a Berserk podcast, with a little awesome intro. Let me show you the intro because it's my favorite thing in the world. Hang on, everything is black. I know, guys, I know. I just want to show you the intro for Berserk Podcast. Nope, it's not the proper one. Well, that's quite of the intro, but this is the intro I'm looking for. it lagging? Why is it freaking lagging? Damn it. I don't know what's wrong with you, XSplit, but sometimes you make my video lag. Hang on, guys. I'm gonna play it again just because I want to see if that fixes the issue. That's okay. No. It's just a freaking video with an empty scene and it's lagging. Aww. Boo. Boo, XSplit. Anyway, that was the intro. So, we are there with everybody at Berserk. Well, not everybody at Berserk, but everybody involved in Zombital. We just announced the new update, and then we announced the new update, and we talk about what's up, what's new, and what's next every 2 weeks. So, if you want to stay tuned on that, you can, you know, follow this channel, and every 2 weeks we do this update. And also inside the game there's a link to go check out the podcast, and in the next update, if I'm not wrong, you'll be able to you'll get like 5 bloodstones or 3 bloodstones, something like that. 3 bloodstones every time you go watch a new podcast, you know. So it's gonna say like, hey, there's a new podcast available, you want to watch it? And if you do, you get 3 bloodstones. So very simple. Time to switch to OBS. I'm really considering it. I'm very bad though, because I was a big XSplit lover, but it is lagging as all. Is it hard to learn to code? It is quite hard at the beginning. It is a great mental exercise. And it's freaking ouch! Dardanus of Fate! The 13 months is still fighting! Thank you very much, man, Dardanus! Dardanus of Fate! I saw your face on the other game with Paige. Am I right or not? I think I saw your face in there. Anyway, nonetheless, thank you very much, Dardanus. Okay, so LachhhTools, I think is good. I think it's good now. eBay! Yeah, pretty much. I made my tutorial, the thing I wanted to say. I made both things in there. Yeah. And then I will be able to click on this when I will have my highlights. Okay, so I'll go do this then. Not Patreon, VIP promo. Promote. Is it promote? Yeah, it's promote. Okay, so I want the new UI YouTube preview URL tutorial. I'm gonna say tutorial promo, and I will need to make a highlight out of that and then put the correct one there. Boom. Some vital question. Some players have the potato baby and the potato man because of the Halloween bug. Could we, the ones that we don't have them both, get to buy the potato man in the item dump? That's a good. That's actually a good point. That is a good point. I will have to check with Kojak if it's possible. But you know what? I will copy paste your exact question to Kojak because I think that's a good one. It's either removing the item to the other people or give it to everybody else. I'm leaning toward giving it to everybody else because I don't like removing stuff from people. You know, I don't like snatching items from people saying, oh, it was a bug. You know, that's like, but yeah, gonna check it out. I would like to get into programming development. What's the best thing to learn first, etc. Your first... Okay, programming and development. Do you want into games? I'm assuming it's for games. If so, start with a very simple project. Alright? Start with Unity and or Game Maker. Start with those one. And try to make Pong. I'm not kidding. Make Pong first. That's your first homework. Make Pong. Make sounds when the ball touch. Make some feedback. Make a score system. Make a pause button where you can press a button to pause the game in your Pong, you know. Make music in the background. Make a UI that says start game, option, exit game, and then it goes to the game and then it goes back. Do all that stuff and just make a freaking game of Pong. You will learn a lot of game dev, and it's a nice overall technique, you know. It's a nice overall thing to just try to do that, and then release it on Newground, or release it on if you can release it on itch.io or something. Just try to release one thing. If you want to go a little bit further, maybe you're like, oh come on, Lach, Pong, so boring, yawn, you know. But that's your problem. Make your own version of Pong. Try to make it interesting. You know, that's part of the fun. There was some time at Berserk Studio. Let me say you a little piece of history of Berserk Studio. It was one time that we had we needed to make a game very fast, and a game that we knew that would sell. All right, like a popular genre. And at that time, it was 2010, at that time, toss game was very popular, you know? Game that you just toss something and then you upgrade and then toss further, like Toss the Turtle, for example. And we were like, oh, come on, we don't want to do something like that. Toss game, like, they're cool, but I don't want to make one. And we're like, well, we have no choice, let's do one. So we decided to do one, and then we injected our Berserk Studio feeling to the genre, and we finally got that. I know what we could do. We could have a geek, and then we bap it. The geek is always whining, and it's actual comments that we receive on other games, and it's employee of Berserk Studio just say like, fuck you off, you know. And that came to life, and it's Berserk Ball. And Berserk Ball 1 and 2 were our most popular game at Berserk Studio. Why am I saying that? I'm saying that because at first we said, we don't want to make a toss game. Toss game are boring. But we found a way. Yeah, I'm gonna do it. We found a way to inject our own personality in the game and channel our passion into something that will work and make fun out of that, you know? We were struggling. We didn't know how to survive at that time because we were low on money. So we said, okay, let's do a game that's gonna be popular, of a popular genre, and then let's have fun doing that, you know. So go back to your Pong problem. Make that something very simple, and try to make your friend laugh. Try to just make your friend laugh with that. If it's a bunch of inside joke, do that. Do a bunch of inside joke that you have with your friends or wife, family, daughter, like everybody that you know. Try to make them laugh or make them have fun, and then you can proceed to do that over and over and over. Max Fast following the channel, welcome aboard, thanks for following. So try to do that first. Your surrounding, try to make them laugh, try to entertain them, and then your circle will just like grow up and grow and grow and grow. And then you eventually, a bunch of people will like your stuff, you know? So that will be my advice. That was a very long advice, sorry, but yeah. Pong Dating Simulator. There you go. Pong Dating Simulator. There was one time in Berserk Studio made lots of money. When? When was that, my friend? Where's my money? Where is it? Is it over there? I think somebody stole it. Yeah, I am full of money, yeah. That is the most common misconception, the most common myth. That, oh, you do game, you're full of cash. And you're fucking greedy. Pong is just about a rubber slut who loves balls and bouncing them back. Read in the Lach accent. Thanks for awesome answers. Sweet, man. I'm glad that it can... I wish you the best, man. I wish you the best. Okay, all that is working. Why the hell am I still looking at the LachhhTools? I think it's good enough now. Oh, this is good. The Discord channel is working as well. Alright. So, screw that. Now let's go to... I'm gonna stick in just Shapes and Beats in Flash. Can we have an ad simulator for the next game, Lash? More ads. More ads. Because I freaking love ads and making money! I'm not in for the games and entertainment and the enjoyment and the passion. Fuck that! Money! Fire Hogs! Oh man, Fire Hogs! You know how to do them. It's following the channel. Welcome aboard, man. Thanks for following. Last, you studied computer science or something more? I studied computer science for 5 years. So 3 years. I'm gonna say 3 years because there was 3 years of actual code. So during that time, we were coding and coding and coding until our eyes were bleeding. I'm talking about like 50 hours per week of coding. I think I was working more on college. It's something called Cégep. It's only in Quebec, but it's a technical school, basically. But I was working 50 hours a week easily into coding and coding and coding all the time, weekends and shit. And I learned a lot in there. And it was very, very simple program. I remember that one program we had was enter a number of 12 digits. So you had to do that. And my program had to just check if it was a valid credit card number or not. Zamarakis is following the channel. Welcome aboard, my friend. Thanks for following. So that was a very simple program, right? Enter a 16-digit number and verify if it's a Visa or a MasterCard number. That's it. That was the only thing. It was like, man, it's gonna be easy. It took me like 3 days to fucking make that, you know? How to manipulate strings, how to like, is it, have the guy entered letters? Did he include a space? Holy crap! Drunk devs, man! Drunk devs! Oh my god! 118! Oh my god! That's a lot of people! And I'm not even prepared! I don't even have my makeup or anything! Oh my god! Thank you very much, man! Thank you so much! Please go follow this guy, Drunk Devs, right now! Do it! Drunk Dev, follow him! Just do it! I'm gonna drop a follow manually, Drunk Dev, because that's how I love you, man. I'm gonna manually do it. Boom. Oh, and somebody else did it. Ah, Monkey Man. Thank you, man. Thank you very much. Yeah. Alcohol is a solution. Oh my god. Oh my god. Drunk Dev, by the way, if you're still here, are you still here? Are you still here? I don't know, but if you are still here, I have something to show you. I have my my LachhhTools all prepared and pretty much ready. Very soon it's gonna be ready. So if you do want that tool, okay, so it's not there. Hang on. It's my giveaway tool 2.0. Himmelzans, follow the channel. Welcome aboard. Thanks for following, my friend. He doesn't seem here. Yeah, Twitch may have inflated a number a little. Okay. Bitaha is following the channel. Welcome aboard. Okay, so is it more people? Am I gonna... LachhhTools is the best tool. Oh, no, you're the best, man. Mr. Bone is following the channel. Welcome aboard. Thank you very much for following. Okay, so I don't know if you're familiar with my giveaway tool, but this is the same tool, but now there's a bunch of alerts. Okay, so basically the alerts that you just saw, that little following thing, you can have that on your channel, or you can also customize your own stuff, your own animation. Ouch. I hurt. So this is my face on OBS. You can see that now it has activated, it detected everything, and you can have your follow, sub, host alert, donation alerts, and cheers alerts, and it's gonna appear on your OBS stream. Look at that. Parkour is following the channel. Welcome aboard. Thank you very much for following. So it appears over there, and if you want to do your own custom animation, there's a way to do it. You just have to do it. Shut up. Okay. Planturian is following the channel. Welcome aboard. Thank you very much for following. Another one. Come on. Devil's Fresh is following the channel. Welcome aboard. Thank you very much for following. So all my alerts, basically, they're there. And if you want to make custom ones as well, you can do it, etc, etc. So yeah, I'm about to push it live, but if you want to test it before everybody else, let me know. If you want it for your channel, let me know. Zwampado. YMJ Light, I need this in my life. Oh, Dardanas, yeah, of course, man. Just ping me up on Discord. Do that right now, man. Yonibot is following the channel. Welcome aboard. Thank you very much for following. Dardanas, if you want it. If you want it, just ping me up on Discord. I'll send it to you, man. Ping me up right now. I don't see your ping. Where's your ping? Okay, so packaging successful, yay. I can push that on the Dropbox or something. Anyway, it's right over there. LachhhTools. Okay, so now I just want to test out something because I broke stuff, guys. This is what happened, I broke stuff. Max Shield is following the channel. Welcome aboard. Thank you very much for following. And also Strife Corps, lots of followers. Welcome aboard, guys. Lots of followers, I like it. Follow train, choo choo. And also Pepe Garcias. Pepe Garcias Enchiladas follow the channel. Welcome aboard. Thank you very much for following. How many followers do I have? I don't see it. But Q Rabbit and I need more ads to survive. We have a condition and the only cure is more ads. I have a condition. And the only cure is more ads. He wears headphones. I forgot about this one. Fuck. Almost choked on my apple. Ah, come on. I just want to see him. How many followers do I have? $12,630. Nice. Nice. Bing! Did you do the ping? Did I get the link to the updated version? Oh, okay, yeah. Oh, no. Okay, I'm gonna send that right now. I'm gonna shut that up. I won't put the cats because, guys, half of you like it, the other half doesn't like it. I like it. But, you know, I don't want to put too much of cats in your faces, guys. I like your advice regarding programming. Start easy and love what you're doing. It's a general advice to everything also. Yep. As long as you stay motivated. I mean, it's the same thing that I use for playing piano. You know, which has nothing to do with game dev or whatever. But I just start with a very simple song that I like, and I try to nail that song, you know. The one that I tried at the beginning was Final Fantasy V battle fight or something like that. The fight on the battle that goes like. It's super fun to play, and it's very easy because it's only like one finger. Another one will be even easier. Will be the Super Mario on Game Boy. That's very easy to play, and it's freaking fun. Yeah, and then you eventually, you know, you just make some small step like that, and then finally you can play a lot of songs. Okay. There you go. Alright, so Mr. Dardanus, you should have it now. You should have it. Okay, where am I? Yeah, I want the tutorial scene thingy to be done. Actorial, tutorial, something there. Music stop. Okay, so the music here doesn't stop. I probably need to do the same with... It's probably when I do the intro. Enable dash, can dash, yeah. Enable control, yeah. Music tutorial. Logic, music tutorial, yeah. Triangle to collect, yeah. Vegetal, yeah. All that stuff, yeah. What else? It has to be something else. On appear, I guess. No. So the thing is, I fucked up the start anim intro. No, that's all good as well. So why is this song playing? Maybe play scene, I guess. Yeah, maybe because of that. Okay, so this, I want to do this and then debugging it like this, and start from intro title. Yeah, why not? Micro big music, follow the channel. Welcome aboard. Alright, good sword, thank you. No problem, man. Res Visor is following the channel. Welcome aboard, my friend. Thank you very much for following. Lots of followers today. Damn, what happened? What happened? I haven't shaved, I haven't put my makeup or anything, and there's a lot of followers. Damn! Can you imagine if I I'm sorry I messed up your name so much. Crack is followed, is subscribed. Thank you very much for your subscription, man. I'm very sorry that I messed up your name, but you know what? You can call me Lach, because everybody called me Lach instead of Lasha. So you can have your sweet revenge for me messing up your name. Nonetheless, regardless, should I say, thank you very much for the subscription, my friend. Really appreciate it. Those punch in the face, ouch, really hurt my neck, but but I appreciate them. Tutorial level scene, start tutorial. How about that, Tim? Okay. So right now it says that. It should not says that. It should not say that at all. No. Okay, so tutorial thingy, blah blah blah. If I go into start here, if I go into logic start here, right there I say init level and play level intro, which is not something that I should do. Probably the play level intro, right? Check for specific and then play normal level intro, and when I do that I do start level. Okay. So whenever I start here, that's why. So I should just go and say like act tutorial here. No. Why? No. Where is it again? Add. Okay, add start level. So, okay, add the start level. I do have it. Add start level. Voyons, yes! There we go. Okay, it's right there. Alright, boom. There you go. Yes, okay, that works. Oh, what do I do? What do I do? Oh my god! Sounds to be working. Okay, so I fixed the bug. Yay! Fix the bug. Ah! What? Okay, man, bring corporate latch back. This might help. Mustache. Nice. Thank you very much for the first donation of the day. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Top donator of the week. That's something I should check out, though. I know that my widget is broken somehow. Because you wanted it, Monkey Man. Corporate latch. I think I have an intro for corporate latch. Do I? I had one. Nope, apparently not. What the fuck? Nope, okay, it's not there anymore. Meh, we tried. We tried. Alright, okay, it's switching for the other scene because XSplit. Come on, why do I have to press twice? Damn it. Damn it! Okay, so now the thing that I've done the fixes for this. Okay, let's go into Unity. Sorry, into Unity. Let's open Unity. Sorry. Unity. I want the real one, not the deal with the seat. I don't have my costume, man. I don't have my costume for that. Yeah, I remember I had my my latch, the arrogant latch, the other one, you know, with the beret and the scarf with the price tag on it. I had that. I think I still have that in my closet. Yeah. Oh, the game dev. It represents the pure form of game design. If you use microtransaction in your game, you're not a real game developer. It taints the pure game design experience based on emotions and fuck. Okay, where am I? Logic no, tutorial. No, not here actually, here. Actor. Ah! Boopa! Boopa! eBay! Damn it! Ouch! Go reach! Oh my god! What do we do? What do we do? There's so much metal now! I'm surrounded with metals and shit! You got them all twice! You got top donator of the month twice, because why not? You're everywhere on my screen now. You're like every top donator. You're everywhere. Dude, thank you so much! What do we do with the mustache thing? It was something from November that I forgot to remove. So do I give him the mustache? Alright, let's figure something together, guys. Let's figure something out together, because I don't know. I actually really don't know what to do now. You got me. You got me, my friend. Okay, first I'm gonna remove this. I'll also remove this. Okay. Okay to all that. Sorry. Merry Christmas. Fix it. I want my mail back. You do. You have all my. You have all the mail. Make it snow. Okay, I can make a snow effect. That I can do. I had that already. Fuck. $80, man. Okay. LachhhTools. Let's do a giveaway first. Yeah, the newest item. I could do that as well. Where's the what's happening now? Macro big music. Well, yeah, we saw that earlier. Okay, let's do the let's do the animation first. Let's start with that. Shoot snow out of your pants whenever you shout. Snow or real snow? Shoot snow out of my pants. I don't like the visuals of that, my friend. Even though it was real snow, I don't like quite the effect that the white, viscous thing starting going out of my pants. It's not pizza giveaway. It's 100 experience point giveaway. Boom. Let's do it. Sipix, this is following the channel. Welcome aboard, my friend. Thank you very much for following. Now. Strive Corpse! Novikov! Again! Haven't you won the pizza giveaway like yesterday or something? You, sir, are pretty... You're pretty, first, and then you're probably lucky. Novikov, you have to say nothing. Novikov, you have to say nothing. Full screen isn't working well on Mac. Oh. I don't own a Mac. It's hard for me to test, actually. He's not here. Come on, monster. Vomiting blood on my face. That's so metal. I should actually embrace that. A monster chewing up a viewer and burping, vomiting blood on my face. That's so fucking metal. There we go! Let's do a giveaway, guys! Who's gonna win? Wow. Sala SM is following the channel. Welcome aboard, my friend. Thank you much for following. Tree. You're the winner, my friend, but you have 50 seconds to show yourself in the chat, otherwise the monster will eat ya. Oh, that was fast. Whoa. You haven't replied. That's a false. I think that I pressed the thing on my keyboard. That's a false advertisement, ladies and gentlemen. Hello, ZP, follow the channel. Welcome aboard, friend. Thank you much for following. Shinzu, my avatar dead, legend friends? It should not. It should not, my friend. The avatar is on the server safe. Vomiting blood in my face once again. Alright, okay, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do the chat auto command instead, like this, like this. I'm gonna put that in the background so you guys can actually get inside of there, like this. I'm gonna fix my bug, and then I'll play a little bit of Super Hexagon or something like that. And then we'll go to the Super Giveaway Awesome of Doom, so we can get to, you know, fix that thing. Okay, so start anime intro, add that thing over here, that my fix is right over there, bing bam boom, like this, yay! And we also have Mr. Sivan. Sivan is following the, or Sivan, I want to say Sivan is following the channel, welcome aboard, thank you very much for following. So the fix was like this, I believe that's good enough for the fix. I know while it's compiling, we're gonna check out where we are. We are 25 people, 25. Who says more? Who says more? Tugga, 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 yelling! Woohoo! Look at that, 26. Unity is dead. Unity is dead, yeah. Google has some plan to kill Unity. Shinzu, the shout is reserved for sub, my friend. So your avatar isn't dead, but you're not sub. So that's why. Because I'm a greedy dev and I want money to give you rewards. Yeah. No, you're not supposed to see that. No. You haven't seen that. That's top secret stuff. You haven't seen that. You haven't seen that. Ah! Hardcore Christ? How come? Haven't you just subbed already? Now you subbed 3 months in a row? Am I stupid or something? Am I wrong? Am I what? Say what? Well, thank you for those 3 months, I guess. Twitch is bugged again. Okay, there we go. Well, we'll take it, man. There we go, go. Who's gonna win? It's a glitch with Twitch. You sub for 36 months and then the series becomes a... Okay. Gotcha. Kiwi Raven! Speaking of the devil, who just told me that it was a glitch with Twitch. My friend, 50 seconds, show yourself. Kiwi Raven! Kiwi Raven, the winner is you, my friend. Congratulations. I'm gonna put you right over there. Pooch, and 100 experience points is coming your way. Kiwi Raven receive 100 experience points. Congratulations, my friend. Last thing is this, winning 100 experience point. Shield, whoop, like this, and I go like send tweet and send not tweet. Voila. Guys, there's one thing left I want to fix up. So it says the big goal, a mustache. I wanted to give you guys all a mustache. So let's vote for your favorite mustache and I'll give you that, alright? So we got all those mustache over here. Which one would you like? Which one would you like? It was mustache from the feature though. It was mustache that we had for the last featured thing. I think that this one wasn't in the featured. I think so. Do you want a mustache, guys? I can give it to you for free for everybody. You can just go like everybody like this and give a mustache. Yay, mustache. Because it was saying that I'm the most right. This one is already given, I think. Down, Christmas, pipe. The pipe one has already been given last year, actually. Gold. Zapper CR is following the channel. Welcome aboard. Thank you very much for following. The Santa Beard. Santa Beard is nice. The rare one. Which one is the rare one? Agos Case, following the channel. Welcome aboard. Thank you very much for following. Santa beard, gold one. Santa beard, the second last one. Santa Claus, pipe, Santa. I believe we have pipe. I did give the pipe last year. You know what? I could give both Santa and the pipe. Second to last is this one. Pipe is rare from last time. Pipe should be reserved for last year. Yeah. Have you ever joined a legendary or something similar? I did like a while ago, but nowadays I don't really do it because the weekends are reserved for my family and my kids. So if I just go inside my office and participate into a lot on there, I am not there for the kids, you know. And if I do that if I take other days, I will get less jobs. So I don't feel the urge to make a lot on there. Actually, I like that. I like the game jams, but I like working on Just Shapes and Beats more. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. Pipe, no Santa or gold. Doesn't matter to me. Y'all think you will lose them. I'm all already have those. Same. I want this is November 5. November 5, I think is which one is November 5? I think it's this one. How about the ugly buddy? Which one? This one? The fat guy? The fat guy is reserved for Larkland though. It did said mustache. Okay, guys, I want to give you, to current viewers, to you guys, alright? I'm gonna give the Santa, and this one's reserved to last year. I don't want to, you know. My vote is for the last one and the second last one. So the second last one, I think that it wasn't in the feature item, this one. Random reward button, yeah, I would love to do that. I lost track. Okay, I'll give you the Santa beard because I said so. No, not here though. I have to do it here. Santa beard. Where is it? Santa beard. To current viewer, create. There we go. So everybody watching, I have a Santa beard, and I will also give you the Dali one, because you guys, you're beautiful. Voila! Voila! You have two mustache guys. The gold, please! Ah, Dordanos of Fate, right? Sorry! Yeah, we want to implement big hacks. Just follow the channel. Welcome aboard. Thank you much for following. I don't know if you can put that with the with this one. What a Christmas hat last year, or the Hanukkah hat. Yeah, we wanted to make a store in the Stream RPG where you can buy for $3 or something like that. You can buy items from old items, feature items, you know. Why can't you use the admin app on screen? Oh, because it's this screen is my developing computer. I have 3 screens. Ah! I dropped the mic. I dropped the cam on the mic and the Apple on the mic. Alright, so this is my development. So this, you see what's happening there. This is what I see. So what actually is going out. So my avatar is over there, the chat and everything, blah blah blah. So this is the exploit and everything. Oh, and also Badger is following his channel. Woo! Welcome aboard, man. And the third here is just my streaming device, so top secret stuff. So I see stuff, all my tools are over there, you know. So this is my streaming computer, and this one is my dev computer. So it allows me to, you know, because compiling and everything takes a lot of juice. So I wanted to separate the streaming and the developing process. So if I want the little widget that goes here, I need to put it on my streaming. Okay, why is the client in Adobe Air? Because give me another program, my friend, that allow me to make animation fast, and I'm listening. Yo, Lash, I have a chest. You're right, actually. You are right. Ah, there you go. The last dim took care of it. Okay, no, that's not what I wanted. Damn it. Version release, debug, all that stuff. Come on, Unity, you can compile. Compiling. Still compiling. Yay! Can anyone explain me how does shard crafting works in Zombile? You can craft them, and it boosts your DPS and skulls. Not sure if I understand the question actually. Whoa. Every day I'm compiling. Okay, so this doesn't work. Okay. Why? Let me restart it just to see if it goes to the tutorial scene or something. Press any button to start. So that goes there, but it should not go there actually. I want to see what's up with you, my lover. Go to story mode, hide the two story is normal version, continue main game. What's that? No. Actually. Ah, okay, so that's good. Start for tutorial. That thing over there. So level scene. Okay, and you have this as well. What's up then, my friend? Attach to Unity. Go to Unity. Control P. Boom. Yay, okay. So it goes there. Stop. Start anime intro. Yeah, please. So you do that, alright, you compile it, okay, and then you register the sound, and you say on appear, you do that. Good. How about, let's say that 5. Okay, you're going twice in there. 4th, 15, okay. Definitely a problem. Start for tutorial, callback, wait, effect. Why the hell do I have come back? What? Probably here. Ah, because I forgot to put a... Wow. I forgot to put a return here. Oopsie! If I go there then, tutorial level scene, I do have the return. Start for tutorial. And why do I return that? Because no reasons. Okay, so I have the return now. Let's go there. Stop, please, in the name of love. Any tips on making better French toast? I'm speechless. You caught me off guard on this. Hang on, French toast. What is French toast for English? French toast. Is that it? Oh yeah. Okay, yeah, I know what it is. Yeah, with an egg on it and everything. That stuff is very good. That stuff is very good. Oh, it reminds me of my mom. My mom used to make us that. Because we called it, well, in my family, I don't know if it's the same in French, but pain doré. Yep, that's pretty much the same thing-ish. Pain doré versus French toast. Is French toast from France? No, that's not what I want. Pain perdu. I don't know. I know that I call them pain doré like this, and it's freaking awesome. It's freaking awesome. The more you know. Balida balila dalio. Okay, so now it's loading. I think it's loading everything, and that's probably why it's waiting for everything to happen. Yeah, is all loaded is a myth. I should not do that. I'm gonna do this instead. Yeah. I could actually just do which one is it? Tutorial. Is just loaded? Is that it? Model song and all loaded. Where is it? All loaded. Is GS loaded? Okay, that's it. So if it's not loaded, wait for it. And when I do the wait for it, though, how about why don't I load it here? Okay, so I don't ask to load it. That's weird. Okay, then no, not here. I'll go with is GS loaded? Load assets. Alright. Model song anim tutorial U. Let's just do that real quickly to see if it works. Alright. Real maple syrup. Real maple syrup. Yup. Okay, so it worked-ish. Not sure about that, but why? Well, add it. Just freaking add it. I don't care. Okay, so this and UI intro. I don't like the fact that this here. It should remove after a while. So that's probably why. Voila. So I'll remove this. So is French toast pain doré or not? Yeah, green screen broke a bit. Yay! Okay, so it has done something. Kind of takes forever though, but okay. So hang on. Shut up! Shut up, Family Jewel! All right. Yeah, I don't know what's happening with my my green screen. It was working fine, now it's not working fine. Let me see something. Layout T25. I'll put 50 instead. Well, that works. Nope, that's worst. Yeah, that sounds like it. Although, what if I put 15 instead then? Yep, that's better. Legacy mode. Okay, I didn't know this one. But yeah, I got it one. I got it now. Sounds like it. I will have to do that on every screen though. La 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 la. What was the number again? I said 15. Yeah, I said 15. Voila. And into the intro, anyway, I'll do that later. Thanks for debugging Toaster. Yeah. All right, so let's do that. Yeah, that's the okay because it's the same. Okay. No, it doesn't work. No. Okay, let's go back there then. Voila. Let's go back there. Voila. Voila. Logic music here. It's probably a shit like this. Fuck integers. Okay then, I'll just put the mat flash floor int, I guess. Okay, all this blah 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 and loop here, destroy, set music to update. Yeah, I want this, the update thingy. Last loop start, that's this one. And last checkpoint is this one. And we got MKH following the channel. Welcome aboard, my friend. Thank you very much for following. Oh, boom! Where do I find motivation to do programming at home, not only at school? Cheers! Again, something small and something that will make your friends laugh. You know, the very first project. Okay, let's take a minute here, guys. Let's take a minute here to respond to this beautiful question by telling you a real story. Can I just Google Latch? Probably not. Yeah, there you go. Whatever the hell this is. It has 3 stars on Congregate. It's been republished. It's 2014, but I actually made the game in 2006. So, the story goes, I was with my roommate, Drox2, welcome aboard, my friend, thanks for following. I was with my roommate and we were very hungry, and he said, I don't know how it came up, but I actually told him, like, if you buy me a burrito, I will make you a game. And that was basically a thing. And he said, like, you know what, fuck it, deal. And I made this. In 3 hours. He's swearing in French Canadian, by the way. All sounds effect by my mouth, by the way. And I tried to make. When you reach a certain point, he actually dies. So my point was just to make him laugh, you know? I just wanted to entertain my my roommate. sound effect, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at that. He's flying. Oh, combo! Look at the choice of colors, guys. We're talking about zeros and F here. So yeah, that was the very first game I actually released. Or the first complete game that I made, and the point was just to make my friend laugh, just to make him laugh and have a good time, you know. So I actually spent 3 hours on that thing, just like crying, like he's so fucking stupid, boom, boom, you know. And yeah, the point was just to have something. So 2 things. Something small and something that made me laugh. If you enjoy the craft of making video games, you're right. You're good to go. Because releasing is almost the worst part. It's almost the scariest part for sure. Releasing the game. But if you just enjoy crafting the damn thing, because that's it actually. I like. To me, I make video games for 2 things. Because I fucking love it. I love I love the coding part. I love how to mix challenges and everything. And I love to entertain myself. That's basically it, you know? I just want to make something for myself. To make me entertain. For whatever the fuck it is. Lol. Nice. There, little Elijah. Man, what's the programming means for you and in your life in general? Okay, well, it's just a mean to craft. It's a way to craft stuff, actually. Like, I don't understand why video game is arguably or debated as is it a form of art or not. Like, to me, it's super fucking obvious that yes, it is, because I could go on and everything. But even that, just the process of creating code is an art on itself, you know? It's not very accessible art. It's art for other coders, but it has such a nice beauty and algorithm. And I mean, I was speaking with Shane yesterday, and we were talking about a piece of code, and we both said, oh man, this is so elegant. We were talking about code. Talking about this. You know? So if you don't know code or whatever, you just see like Chinese character in there. But if you actually know the algorithm and everything, it goes to a certain depth where you can find a solution to a very complicated problem that you have to think like a computer and then dismember everything and then fix one problem at a time to make a very elegant solution. And that, to me, is art on its own. So yeah, but in the end, like it's just a way to create stuff. The same thing as you creating, as you know, making drawings or animation or movies or whatever. So yeah, it's a tool to create shit. Yeah, I like it. Boom. Okay, so why doesn't go in loop? Okay, is it attached to Unity? Attached to Unity. And then music tutorial, I want to go into your update. Boom! Okay, last loop start. What the? Okay, if it's equal to the last one, okay. What? Ah, logic loop music, okay, that one. Whoa, it never goes there? Huh? What? It never goes to the start music thing? Say what? Say what? Num triangle collected here. You don't go there. Is that what you're telling me? Is that what you're telling me, bro? Stop. Boom. There's one thing though. There's like there's a huge one thing I often hear is there's a huge movement right now of teaching code to kids. And while I like it, I like that, you know, well, you know, obviously I code myself, and I think that, yes, it can help you out on figure out, you know, ways to go through a certain solution by going on this one. I feel there's a little bit of exaggerating on how code can be good for you. I feel like there's like, oh, it's gonna be magic, it's gonna help kids to be like super wonderful and everything. I'm like, well, it is good. And I mean, I'm not arguing that, but I feel that there's some other domain that would be way more priority in my opinion, like something I would teach to kids before code, way before. The very first course that I will give to kids before code will be how to access information on internet. It's a problem we never had back in my days, you know, because we were going to your teacher or your library, or that's it, you know. But now you have access to everything. If you want to find that vaccine causes cancer, you'll find it. If you want to find that vaccine doesn't cause cancer, you'll find it. If you want to find that apple freaking cure and cause cancer, you'll find it. So how do you deal with that? It's totally new, you know. Kids can just like jump on the first information and that's it. So I think that, you know, filtering all that and knowing to go through different sources to try to, you know, base your logic or base your information or base your facts on, that's pretty much more than code, in my opinion, you know. And then food as well. Food would be nice to know, like how to, what is good for you, what's bad for you and everything. For us, we were only like a very small course of fruits and vegetables are good. That's it, you know. Okay, and now I'm 32 years old, and I'm like, okay, that's the only fact I know, you know. Not like that, but still. I mean, you go through high schools and everything, and you have a very bare minimum of how food affect your body and what is good, what is bad, and everything. And yeah, I mean, those two things will be way before code, in my opinion. So yes, I like when people says like, hey, we're gonna teach coding to kill children, but I kind of scratch my head when I see those videos with like with a nice piano song in the background, and today, and building up sound motivated, the kids will know better because they know code, and we code, we can build the future. You know, come on, whoa, get it down a notch, you know. And when you see Bill Gates and Mark Zuckerberg and all those brilliant guys, I don't know, I don't get on board. Like, come on, guys, we're talking about code. We're not gonna change the fucking future and everything. It's actually been shown that teaching music to the kids, music is one of the few activities that involve every fucking part of your brain. Like, it involves the mathematics parts, the creativities, and blah, blah, blah. And if you scan your brain, your brain is on fire if you look for the neurotic activity of your brain. When you do music, piano, guitar, whatever, it's one of the few activities that fire up your brain as hell, you know? But still, the teachers are fighting to keep music in school. But, yeah, I don't know. Sorry, I've been rambling and ranting. Shut up, Lach, and play a game. I'm not here for talking about education and shit. Alright. Wow! Unity editor has stopped working. Okay, Unity is so good. Unity is so good. Flash is dead. Unity is good. You know, there's the asset stores and everything. And Unity is so fucking good. It never crashed. No. Okay, fuck it. It's 4 p.m. already, so I'm gonna save my shit, and I will play a little bit of Super Easy Gun. I'll do one last giveaway before I go. Learn from your kids. Eat cereal every day. Come on. Okay. There you go, guys. If you want a I don't know, 50 experience point. Yeah, why not? 50 experience point. There you go, guys. I think kids actually deal with information online much better than the older generation. Yep, I will agree. I will agree. I will agree to that.
Super hexagon.
Are you a flasher that switched to Unity like me? I'm still a flasher. Deep down in my heart. Like, I'm still using Flash for 95% of the process. Yeah, I freaking hate Unity. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. Ah, new follower! But who? Swollen Cucumber? Is that it? Oh, I've been able to read it at the same time. Swollen Cucumber, welcome aboard, my friend. Thank you very much for following. Swollen Cucumber, Swollen Cucumber, welcome to the channel. And thanks for following. Did you know? Lach and Friends is the name of the channel. We do games and shit.
Game over.
Boo.
Again.
Whoa.
Game over.
I wasn't looking. I wasn't even looking. Who's following the channel right now? JSB FR is following the channel. Welcome aboard, my friend. Thank you very much for following. Is that the flasher guy? I think it was you, right? Wow. Panty's gone. Almost there. Almost there. Ow! Come on. Boo. Boo. I'm the flasher guy. Yeah! Sweet! Alright, 50 experience point. Let's do that right now. Boop, boop, boop. Right now. Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? eBay, the last names. The last names. The last name is a winner. Flash is life. Flash is love. Flash is life. Lost them, please show yourself. Say something in the chat. Say something in the chat. Yes. 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 Whoa, and we also have Rodolphe TW following the channel. Welcome aboard, my friend. Thank you very much for following. Okay, so all 50 experience points is for you, my friend. There we go. It is yours. Take it up. Your beautiful and juicy experience points. So, guys, I'm gonna play the outro, and now it's gonna be time to say goodbye. It's gonna be time to say goodbye. I said intro. There we go. I wasn't looking. Bravo, that's outro error. Thank you very much for watching, guys. You guys are the best. I'm fix my camera on this one as well. Bam. There we go. Camera fixed on this screen as well. And let's go to the outro. Let's go to the outro screen. Outro screen. Hello. Where is it? Hello. There we go. And this is nice. This one's pretty nice. Is it 15 here? No, it's not 15 at all. It's 25. Okay, that's weird. Anyway, there you go. So guys, please follow the channel if you want to stay notified. The schedule is over there. You know everything. You know the drill. Blah, blah, blah. Where's my Shia LaBeouf? He's here. Follow the channel.
Do it!
Right now.
Just do it!
Just do it! Follow the channel. Or you can also rewatch everything on YouTube. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. If you do want the LachhhTools, the little alerts for streamers, please ping me up on Discord. It is pretty much done. I just need to snip the highlight about how to promote my game in there. But yeah, basically I'm just waiting. Like I'm poking Twitch to know, like, hey, do you want to talk about my tools? I am poking Mike to create a Steam page for Zombidle and for Just Ships and Beats as well, so we can direct people over there and just click the wish list. So I'm just preparing everything before launching, but it's gonna be out very soon. But if you do want it and be part of the beta testers, please just go on Discord and send me a PM and I'll send you a link. Alright, guys, I love you all. You guys are the best, especially you. Bye.